4,000 Essential English Words. Book 5. Pollination. Unit 22. Word list. Acid. An acid is a chemical that can burn or dissolve other substances.
In chemistry class, we mixed two acids together and watched the reaction.
Administration. An administration is the group of people who manage a company or organization.
She hoped she could be promoted to a job in the administration.
Administrative. Administrative describes anything related to managing a company or organization.
I work as an administrative assistant to the owner of the company.
Biotechnology. Biotechnology is the use of living parts, such as cells, in industry and technology.
Researchers at the biotechnology company use bacteria to make medicine.
Cholesterol. Cholesterol is a substance in fat, tissues, and blood of all animals.
When people have too much cholesterol, they are at a high risk for heart problems.
Coalition. A coalition is a group of people or organizations working for a common purpose.
The companies formed a coalition to make trade less expensive.
Deceptive. When something is deceptive, it encourages one to believe something that is false.
The scary-looking man's appearance is deceptive, but he is actually very nice.
Diabetes. Diabetes is a medical condition where a person has too much sugar in their blood.
Overweight people are more likely to suffer from diabetes than slimmer ones.
Eliminate. To eliminate something that is unwanted means to completely remove it.
Wearing a seatbelt eliminates some of the dangers of driving a car.
Erosion. Erosion is the destruction of rock or soil due to flowing water or weather.
Canyons are formed because rivers of fast-moving water caused erosion.
Ethics. Ethics are moral beliefs or rules about right or wrong.
The act of stealing certainly doesn't go against some people's ethics.
Explicit. If something is explicit, it is very clear, open, and truthful.
The man gave a very explicit account of the car accident.
Framework. A framework is a set of rules or ideas that people use to solve problems.
His ideas fit into the framework of a successful business plan.
Manufacture. To manufacture something means to make it in a factory.
My father's company manufactures steel building materials.
Mechanism. A mechanism is a part of a machine that performs a certain function.
I can't open my car door because the locking mechanism is broke.
Minimize. To minimize means to reduce something to the lowest possible level.
I checked my homework twice to minimize errors I might have made.
Nectar. Nectar is a sweet liquid produced by flowers that bees and other insects collect.
Bees use nectar to make their honey.
Notion. A notion is an idea or belief about something.
I have a notion that this route would get us to the beach.
Prone. When things are prone to some bad thing, they are likely affected by it.
Some people are more prone to catching colds than others.
Straightforward. When something is straightforward, it is good because it is easy to understand.
The teacher's grading system was straightforward and fair. The new Bioco. Jack got a new job at a biotechnology company called Bioco. Bioco manufactured drugs to treat diabetes and high cholesterol. Jack's job was to use a tiny mechanism to get nectar from flowers. The nectar was a main ingredient in the drugs. Jack liked his job, and he thought that Bioco was a caring company. However, Jack soon learned that the company wasn't as kind as he first thought. Bioco's motto was, "Make the earth a better place." However, this motto was deceptive. The company actually did a number of really bad things to the environment. The company produced a lot of smog and harmful acid. Bioco poured the acid in a nearby river, which caused erosion and made fish prone to illness. After a few weeks at the new job, Jack saw all the bad things Bioco was doing. He had always had strong ethics, and he knew he had to do something. One day, while the Bioco workers were eating in the cafeteria, Jack stood up and gave a speech. He said, "My fellow coworkers, I know you have all seen the evil things our company is doing. I have a notion that we can fix them if we form a coalition. We can go to the administration and tell them we'll quit if they don't eliminate the problems. They'll have no choice but to listen to us." Jack explained what they were to do. His coworkers liked his explicit plan. They went to the administrative offices and demanded that Bioco stop damaging the environment, or they all would quit. One supervisor said to them, "Thank you for being straightforward about this issue. Since I can't afford to lose all of you workers, I guess we'll just have to fix things." Jack, his supervisor, and his coworkers spent the next month designing a new framework for the company. They cleaned up the acid from the river and minimized the amount of air pollution the company released. At last, the company motto became apt.